Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how you can actually use or how to upload the share funnel into your Clickfunnels account. Now, you just want to click this link here. Now, this link is going to automatically upload this funnel here. I'm just going to show you it really quick. Just go to steps, and this will bring it up. So it'll help you bring up this funnel here into your Clickfunnels account. Now, the purpose of this being is that we want to, make it easy for you and really help you start generating some commissions as well. So what we want to do is that you want to just go back. We're in the Surefire list building method. Click on this link here. Now I'll show you what it does. You just want to click that. Now I'll just re-upload it again, and then what you want to do is that you want to click on it'll say import, just click on your account. So I'll go James Fawcett because I want to go into my account, and it'll bring up this. Now just take a second to load and just give it a minute here. Alright, so then what you want to do is that it hasn't been imported completely yet. You have to click view funnel. Alright, so now the first immediate step that you guys need to do is that in the breakout code, you've already got access on how to integrate your autoresponder. You've already got access to how you can set up your affiliate links and whatnot on your page. Now the purpose of this is that because this here, the opt-in page, is automatically going to go to a URL on my account. Now I don't want that to do that because I want you guys to get commissions, and so it goes to yours. So what you want to do is that your link will be here. It'll be different to mine, but you want to highlight that and go to the opt-in. Now click edit page, and it'll load up the editor for you. Now what you want to do, you want to go down to settings here. I'll do that later. Go to settings here, go to general, and then you want to post that in there. Remove any spaces after the fact. You don't want that, otherwise it'll void the URL. Now what I recommend you do is that you turn off the affiliate badge on the Clickfunnels account. You can have it there if you want, but if not, you can just turn it off. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want them. I want them to stay concentrated on what I have to offer, and then you click save. Alright guys, so and if you want, when you do the integrations, just jump into here and select your integrations account. So for me right now, I'm just going to send it to GetResponse because it's pretty easy. Go to add to campaign, and you'll select your list there. So go to Breakout test, and then it's automatically connected. Alright guys, pretty simple to set up, very easy. I hope that's helpful. You're more than welcome to go back through the video and you'll be able to break it down a little bit easier for yourself. I can get a little bit taken used to, but this is probably the easiest and fastest way to how to get your opt-in working straight away, guys. Alright, I hope this really helps, and enjoy. Thanks guys.